We are completing the shingle repair for State Farm. Claim number is 350C7G845. We're going to go ahead and begin the shingle repair. We use the roof snake tool to extract the existing fasteners, release the existing seals. As we see here, all of the surrounding shingles are still adequately intact and feasible. We'll go ahead and clear this area of the debris and continue the repair. Cannot actually find the Owens Corning Supreme Onyx Black shingle because it's no longer available in this area, so we're just using another Owens Corning shingle. This is the Aspen Gray. It's just one of the Supreme closest shingles we could find available for this repair. All right, as we see here, repair has been done. As you see, new fasteners were driven, adequately seated. Roof snake tool was required to lay here, the nail zone. Also the lower base tool of the tool also lays towards the bottom end, the exposed section of the shingle. As we see here, looks like it crushed this section of the fiberglass reinforced matting here. As well as here, unfortunately see an impact mark also where that anchor was seated, as well as here. That's how it should look there. That's how it looks after. And as we see here as well, we've also got another spot right here. Anchors were adequately seated. And the new shingle that was installed was able to withstand these necessary impacts needed, looks like, in order to seat the new fasteners, but the existing shingles are now showing these signs here that they sustained damage when ultimately anchoring those new fasteners as required. ARMA, Asphalt Roofing Manufacturers Association, requires that the anchors are to be seated perpendicularly to the roof deck, are not to be underdriven, overdriven, or uneven. This ensures that the shingles are working as designed and intended at their full functionality. There as well, that looks fine. And that's what was sustained there. Again, it looks like it created an indentation, almost crushing the fiberglass reinforced matting in a degree that mimics hail, unfortunately. And we look at the bottom here. In order to seat these anchors into the new and fresh nail zone with new sealant, this is what the existing shingle sustained, while the new shingle again was able to adequately and feasibly withstand the necessary repair methods needed in order to seat these fasteners. That's how it should look. That's how it looks after. How it should look there. Also what it looks like after. There as well. Again, the new shingle is able to withstand these necessary impacts, while the existing shingle, unfortunately, is now in a compromised condition and left in a worse purpose than it was prior. If not for the approved wind damage, this would not have occurred. So it should look, that's how it looks after.